cheese. Then we put inside oven.
Yeah.
Microwave lah.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, and the cameraman is Ami.
Now we're going to show you what we need. We need bread and cheese. And what is this?
No, you also need a
the
microwave.
hobby. We need to use hobby because my cousin cannot reach. So, okay.
Hobi lang apa?
Wait.
You Zaki Hui? I turn on the.
Don't need. I don't want.
Not on.
Kita nak buat video macam tapi kita bilang kalau sampai tak sampai.
Tak, nak on bilik nak tak apa main tolong anu.
I got you to on it.
So he's putting and the cheese. Nak buat apa?
2 je.
Asal ni? Underwear.
Abang ambil dah.
Cannot on right. Zaki Hui.
Stop. I stop.
Ni Zaki kamu.
Wajah.
So,
My cousin is making.
so I go.
Shut up. Mama, later want to play at downstairs?
Don't.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh.
Because today I'm so lazy.
Okay.
Later play outside.
Very busy.
Extra, you must put up. Anak, you give a put inside Ami buntut.
And okay.
And then we finish the hour and then go eat.
And you're going to put how many seconds?
50 seconds.
No, cannot.
Why?
My mother said 20 seconds.
Alah. You ask me then you say cannot.
What do you think?
Alhamdulillah. Yummy.
Wait. You put on you.
Okay. Pialo.
Nak
Pialo.
Pegang. Crazy. Buang aja. So I'm going to set the start.
Pialo.
Just start and
Kamu tak tahan situ.
start.
Kamu tak tahan situ.
Then 30 seconds.
Mami.
Yeah.
Ami, anu kau ni mana?
So it will be 20 seconds.
Jangan anu teti je.
Okay. So you see. Oh, you can see.
Ha.
So I'm going to tell you how to do this. First, you spin it. And then
It's done already.
ties
I
up.
don't want to see your face anymore.
Shut up.
I pick.
And then I don't know.
Alamak, I budak penakut ni.
Kau aja.
Ami takut nak angkat je. Angkat je pakai tangan, awak nak langsung. Jadi taruh 50 second, angkat pakai tangan. Pula ni budak.
Kalau 50 second yang itu.
Panas.
Sakit lah titik.
Okay.
Ini suka anu orang yang ini.
Okey, pegang orang titik.
Ini sikit.
Jatuh.
Jatuh. Oh, aja. Weh, ini tengok teaser. Lagi. Show. Lagi show.
Look.
This
And we made it. So, there's all of it.
Okay, bye. Meet ke. Bye.
Bye.